So you have Windows 11 and you're afraid that you're going to get slowness in the future or even an application error or a boot up error. Well, I have a setting you can enable so you don't have to worry about none of that. What's going on, guys? My name is Adam from Savvy Tech Tips, and today we are going to enable a setting that will save you time in the future in case you get an application error or any slowness or any errors at all on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is click on search and type in system restore. All right, so click on create a restore point. So we're going to enable system restore. You can do this on Windows 10 and 11. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on configure. See how the system restore is grayed out? We have to enable it before we configure the system restore point. So click on configure. You're going to click on turn on system protection. Click apply and OK, and then you're going to create a system restore point. Here, the name on it, best practices is you want to create a name where you can revert back to where it was working just fine. So say if you installed a game, all right, you want to create a system restore point before you install the game, then name the system restore point, call it like install Halo 3. And then when you install Halo 3 on Windows 11, breaks or crash or whatever, you can revert back to the system restore point, have it where you don't even notice Halo 3 even on your machine at all. So here we'll say installed Halo 3. Okay, create. So it's going to create this restore point. Okay, and then you're going to go up here to system restore. Click next, and here you can see the date and time when you did it and the description. Installed Halo 3. That is it on doing a system restore point, guys. Amazing thing to do. Even you can do a create a system restore point before you do a Windows update. But keep in mind that the Windows 11 will create system restore points automatically after a major event, say like a Windows update. After a Windows update, it'll create a system restore. And here, over here, type, it'll say automatic. Manual is the restore point that you actually create. So that is it for this episode. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and guides for your Windows systems. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. If you like this episode and you want more Windows 11 content, be sure to check this episode right now.